Good evening, everyone. Today we have a new guide, the last guide. This is actually guide number 8 to develop reading strategies. The objective of this guide is to read texts analytically, a story today. And the only material you need is a dictionary and this reading guide. There are 3 types of activities that you will be doing: pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading. The first activity. Here we will use pictures to predict content, so you're going to look at the picture and try to predict 3 types of possible content for a story. The second activity here is using the title to predict content. It is similar, but in addition to looking at the picture and writing the possible topic here, you're going to write the possible content here for this story. So you look at the title, you'll read the title and try to predict the possible contents. Very brief ideas here, 3 ideas here. Activity 2, working on keywords. There are some highlighted words that you will write here and the meaning in front, using the context only. If you don't understand them using the context, well, use a dictionary, but the idea is to use the context to identify the meaning of those words. It's going to be a spooky story. Here is the picture. And the first activity, while reading activity, is actually activity number 3, but the first activity while you're reading the text, skimming the text. That means identifying general information. You read the story and identify the paragraph in which you find the following information. Here you write the paragraph number. All paragraphs are numbered here, and you write in front of the topic or the information, you write the paragraph number. Then we have while activity 4, that is scanning the text or identifying specific information. You're going to identify the basic parts of the content, that is the beginning, the plot, and the ending of the story, and the basic information. Only write key information or notes, but don't write complete sentences, okay? About the name of the main character, where the story takes place, when, etc. What the weather was like on the first important event for the beginning. Then we have the plot or the central part of the story and the conclusion. You take notes there. And you're going to do the same about a new story. You're going to invent a new story, and you're going to follow the same procedure we used in the previous activity. You're going to write the beginning, trying to answer the questions here, the plot, and the ending, but only with notes. And then we're going to transfer that information. Using the information in this chart, you're going to prepare another presentation to tell me or to tell somebody your story. If you want to tell me the story on our next tutoring session, that would be perfect. Remember to use past tenses, adverbs, adjectives, connectors, and new vocabulary for the story. This is a very good exercise. It is good preparation for your final exam. Remember that in the final exam you will have to develop reading skills in one of the sections of the exam. Okay guys, that's all. See you next week during our tutoring session for the presentation of the third task fourth task or third delivery of the project. And have a nice weekend. See you then guys. Take care. Bye bye.